If you haven't tried this yet, you are really missing out. So don't wait, make it as soon as possible. Hello and welcome back to Enovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are baking a soft, spongy and absolutely delicious treat, Eggless Suji Cake in katori. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 1/4 cup curd and 1/3 cup sugar. Mix well. Suji or semolina is one of the oldest ingredients used in Indian dessert. Add half cup suji and 1/4 cup milk. Mix again. Yogurt in baking acts as a natural egg substitute for softness. Then add 2 tablespoons oil. Stir and keep aside for 10 minutes. The word katori means small bowl in Hindi, a fun way to make mini cakes. Always raise the suji batter for at least 10 minutes so it soaks up the liquid. Now sieve 1/4 cup flour, half teaspoon baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Add this to the batter. Sieve flour and baking agents for a light and airy texture. Pour in 2 tablespoons milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix into a smooth batter. Grease small steel bowls with oil. These mini cakes are great for portion control and easy serving. Pour the batter and top with nuts and cherry. Don't overfill the bowls as the cake rises while baking. Suji rich in iron and good for digestion. Using yogurt adds probiotics that are great for gut health. This recipe uses very little oil compared to regular cakes, perfect for kids as it's light, healthy and easy to digest. Place a pan with wire stand, preheat for 5 to 7 minutes in medium-low heat. Then cook the Suji katori cake for 20 to 25 minutes. Insert a toothpick to check doneness, it should come out clean. And your soft spongy eggless Suji cake in katori is ready. Soft, fluffy and perfectly sweet, this eggless Suji cake in katori is a delightful homemade treat. Try it for your family and they will ask for more. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enovin Cake and Cookies. What's your favorite eggless dessert? Let us know in the comments.